Good morning, Agent. I have a new mission for you if you choose to accept it.
Good morning, Director.
We have gathered intel that Anti-Reliability Man is at it again. He is trying to stop a company from achieving equipment reliability, and your mission is to stop him. According to our sources, there is a series of clues out there that our customer can use to increase their equipment reliability. Our sources say he has destroyed the clues and left pieces all around the laboratory here. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to gather all the pieces of the clue and return it to the customer so he can get the answers for increasing his reliability. Agent Reliability, do you accept?
I accept. I'll be in touch.
Your agreement to accept this mission is appreciated by the Bureau and by the customer. Good luck to you, Agent. This message would self-destruct, but we're in a laboratory with many flammable chemicals, so I can't do that. Talk to you soon.
A few moments later.
I can't even read these sample labels. They're too messy. Wait a minute. I think this is a clue I needed. I need to go talk to sample processing. They get messy labels all the time.
You do know you can get that through your phone, tablet, or email, right? Just saying.
Excuse me. I'm with the FBRI. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
You ever seen any labels that come into the lab like this?
Yes, all the time.
What usually happens to them?
Sometimes they get put on hold, or we just try to figure out what the information says, but we're not always sure it's right.
So this means the wrong information could be logged into the system. Would submitting samples online help with that?
Definitely. It would eliminate any handwriting errors. Hey, I found this on my desk earlier. It might help you.
Thanks. I think this is a clue I was looking for. Wait, this customer isn't testing this component at all right now. Why is this assigned to the customer's account? I need to visit the Verizon team right away. Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm with the FBRI. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Sure.
Can you look this account up for me?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. This isn't good. It looks like there are several pieces of equipment and components in this customer's Verizon account that aren't being sampled or are way outdated.
Just what I suspected. Having outdated components, equipment lists, and other account information is never a good thing.
I found this as well. It might help you.
Another clue from Anti-Reliability Man. High levels of iron and copper are never a good thing in a sample. I better go talk to the lab.
All right.
Excuse me, I'm with the FBRI. Do you mind if I ask you some questions?
Sure, what can I do for you?
I just received this clue. Do you know what it might mean?
Yes, we tested the sample in the laboratory earlier and found high levels of iron and silicon. Severe risk of contamination there.
Wow, that can be pretty serious and cause unforeseen failure for the customer. Thanks for your help.
No problem. I found this earlier too. Maybe this will help you.
Another clue. Thanks. I need to speak with the data analyst about these results. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm with the FBRI. Do you mind taking a look at these test results?
Definitely. Wow, these metals are off the charts. Has a customer experienced a failure yet?
I'm trying to make sure that doesn't happen.
I would definitely get on that fast. This can cause serious problems, halt production, and be expensive repairs. You know, something interesting happened today. I found this on the microscope. Perhaps this is something you're looking for.
Thanks. I'll get on it.
Perfect. Keep me updated.
Will do. I'm not sure what this clue means. I need to call the director.
How's it going, Agent?
It's going. I'm still investigating a number of clues to help my customer improve their reliability. I've got 5 so far, but I'm still looking for the 6th one.
Well, I may be some assistance to you. I just got this encrypted email regarding something called Data Connect.
I wonder what that is.
From what I can tell, I think it's a connection between sample data and Horizon and your customer's CMMS system.
Really? That would really make things so much easier for my customer.
Well, my lunch break's over. Back to work. Good luck on your mission, Agent.
Thanks. Mission reliability. This must be what my customer needs to improve their reliability.
1 hour later.
Hello, Customer X.
Agent Reliability?
I have good news for you.
You know what, I'm glad to hear that. I hope you were able to find the clues that anti-reliability man tried to destroy.
Here's what I was able to find.
Hey, look at this. Mission Reliability, October 3rd through 5th in Indianapolis. What is this clue?
It's a maintenance and reliability conference hosted by Polaris Laboratories this year.
I've heard of Polaris Laboratories. They're the best in the business. When is this registration open? Does it say?
According to my intel, registration is open right now.
Awesome. I'm going to go back and sign up my team because I know this is going to help us improve our reliability. Good work.